guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Savannah if you're new here, and today I'll be showing you guys how I got my passion twist. This is my first time doing this hairstyle. I've had Senegalese twist done before, and this is my first time doing passion twist on myself. So I'm just going to show you guys a few tips that I've realized throughout doing my hair that would probably be helpful to you guys. This did take a few days for me to do just because I broke it up. I kind of just wanted it to be a quick tutorial, and I'll try to show you guys everything that I learned throughout the process. I'm just gonna quickly go over what I used. So for hair, I used Expressions Twisted Up Passion Water Wave 2 in the color 2. So it'll look like this if you purchased it. I will leave the link down below. This hair was only $3.99. So I got 6 packs, and I think each pack has about 15 pieces of hair. So this hair is really soft. Sorry I don't have it to show you guys in like the bundle, but you'll be able to see while I'm combing it out throughout the video. This hair is super soft. It does get tangled really easily just because it is a water wave and it's super curly. Honestly, I think I really like this hair. So then I ran out of hair. I had like 3 more braids left. I don't know how I ran out of hair. I think because I messed up on a few pieces of hair, so I just had to disregard those. So then I had to run to the store and I got Model Glance braid in the color 2 as well. They're both 22 inches. This one was like, it was like 22 inches pulled out. Like it was not long at all, stretched out, whatever. This hair wasn't as soft, and I don't know, it still wrapped around my real hair nicely and made that nice twist, but honestly I think I like the other hair better. And as far as products, after washing my hair, I used the tgin Rose Water Soothing Leave-In Conditioner just to detangle. This has really good slip. And then I used the Main Choice Ancient Egyptian oil. I used this to seal in and also oil up my ends. If I needed extra hydration while twisting my real hair, I used the Curl Supreme 4-in-1 Hydrating Cream by TreLuxe. You guys have probably seen this all over my Instagram and YouTube. I really love this product. So for smoothing out the top of my twist, I did go in and use the Shine and Jam conditioning gel with extra hold. This is also made with honey. I really like this. It really does smooth out your hair and it gives it a nice kind of stiff texture to really mold your hair. So I did record the beginning of this video for my Instagram, so it's just the basics of my hair partings and just getting into the style. But then after that, you'll be able to see how I actually did this style, and I will be breaking down everything that I did and things that didn't work for me. I'll definitely show you guys throughout the video, so just keep on watching. So I want to start off by showing you guys how I prepped my hair to install the passion twist. I started off on clean and detangled hair and parted my hair in half, and then from ear to ear, working from the back and then working my way up using the Kiki J method. Definitely made things a lot easier. So I used the Shine and Jam to smooth out my hair, and I started off with a braid and braided about 1 inch of the way down. I think this technique is super easy to later install the passion twist and just keeps everything super neat. So basically dividing the 3 strands into 2 different sections to start twisting all the way down. So I'm going to go over it again. I'm just making sure my sections are nice and moisturized. Starting off with those 3 strands and doing a normal braid about 1 inch of the way down. And once again, splitting your 3 sections into 2 even sections and twist. Here's another close-up of splitting my sections into 2 even sections and twisting. I think this just keeps everything really neat and makes everything super easy for the installation. So now I'm going in with the Expressions Water Wave hair, and I'm crocheting the hair in the braid, pulling it through in that loop. You're going to pull everything through, including your natural hair. Making sure that it's secure, you're going to want to start wrapping the hair around your natural hair. making sure to cover your natural hair as best as possible. Once you get to the ends kind of just curl naturally. For this whole process, I'm using 2 strands of the passion twist hair, folding it in half, crocheting it in, and wrapping it around my hair. At the base of your braid, you want to crochet that in. I felt that using a brush really helped to fluff out the hair. So get it as fluffy as possible so that you have better coverage of your natural hair. Once again, making sure to secure it. I thought it was pretty easy to wrap the passion twist hair around my natural hair. You can do this as loose or as tight as you'd like. My main tip would definitely be to watch the way the curl pattern wants to form and wrap it that way. If you wrap it the opposite way, you'll kind of get this loose undone twist once you let go. Going in with the next twist, and I'm wrapping it around my natural hair and pushing it up as I go. But it's kind of loose at the same time. I'm not doing it super tight just because you want to make sure when you unravel it, you still have that nice form. Once I get to the bottom of my natural hair, I start to split the passion twist hair and just continue twisting. Another tip I have is to really mold your natural hair along with the passion twist once you get to the end with some of the shine jam, just so that it doesn't pop out as easily. To make sure that the bottom was as neat as possible, I did trim what I needed to. I did end up with a total of 41 twists, and we're finally done, so I'm going to jump into the next clip where you'll see my final results. So these are my final results. I just laid my edges down. I overall really like this style. I feel like it's not a long-lasting style just because your natural hair pops out so easily. But overall, I love the look of it. I'll probably try to record a video of me refreshing my hair and stuff like that and how I'm keeping up with them within the next couple of weeks. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and let me know what you guys think down below and if you guys have tried this style out. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!